Hello guys, another day playing Jurassic Survival. Welcome. This is Gab Gameplay and I'm gonna return to my old game, Jurassic Survival, to just show you what is this game about. As you can see, it was like Last Day on Earth, but this is the older game that didn't have updates anymore. Basically, they called it dead game because there's no updates anymore. Just like that, I'm going to the here Hall to see what we can find here. But I think I would try to cut some trees and refill my storage of wood because I forgot to refill it last week. As you can see, you did not see me post any videos because I'm too busy from school. So that's why I'm here today. And thank you for the 197 subscribers. Not only that, thank you also for your support. Okay, today that's all for today because that is too long. Goodbye.